Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VTVT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And I'm going to go ahead and delete these lines out. Sure, they still pertain, but I think there's a little more simplified way we can go about the current status of the chart from a support standpoint. And the line that I'll be watching on Wednesday. Remember, the markets are closed on Tuesday. Happy New Year's, by the way. But keep an eye on that orange line right there, which is symbolizing that, yeah, today, the price didn't go to new highs or anything like that. But overall, the price is still quietly chipping its way higher and higher. By putting in these higher lows, which you've seen here, you can see that that's what's given the ability to draw the uptrending trend line. So point here being that if the price can continue to hold up above that orange line going forward, that is a nice little sign of power for the bulls and just the overall kind of health of the chart. With that being said, if the price, breaks down below that orange line, am I saying that that implies the entire chart is broken and ruined? I'm not saying that. All I'm saying is that the price, if it can continue to stay up above that trend line, that would definitely be a nice sign of strength on the bulls' part. In the event the price does break down below that orange line, the next key support level to watch out for would be that purple line there, which is denoting the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving, though. As time goes by, that line is going to continue to move itself higher and higher. So that's why I'm not going to assign a numerical value to it, because it is going to be changing and moving, as the week progresses. But those are definitely going to be the two, levels of support to watch. Again, that ideal level of the trend line, but if that doesn't hold, then see how the price acts, if it goes down there and tests that purple line there. As far as a resistance standpoint, nothing new here. $3 is still that key level. Yeah, the price was up above it quite a bit earlier today, but because the price ultimately ended up closing down below it, it's still got to be considered an area of resistance. And then if the price can get up through the $3 mark, then you do have the $3.50 mark up there at that second red line. But that's probably getting a little too far ahead of ourselves. One hurdle at a time, and again, that first hurdle right up there around the $3 mark. So all in all, though, still relatively solid volume today, and we'll see how this week continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.